Yeah, nation people. Me hear the guy CV come out and I chat some shit. You see what I say? Right now, me hear the man come out and the man a cuss East Zone and him claim him a cuss Gaza uncle and Fury Reggae and him claim say I be a biased news the man them put out and all that. Be a crap him does a chat. You see what I say, Gaza Nation? Right now, me not for really pay them brother them no attention, because the people them who are say vendetta eyes, them think him right. Some of them, not all of them, you know what I mean? But me personally, when I listen to the guy reason, I find out that the guy is a illusion, brother. You see what I say? I'm full of illusion. No joke shit no dead about it, nation people. I don't know one go represent real way, Gaza way, ain't no other way. You see what I say? Mm-hmm. So, him claim say, him there Jamaica, and him ask, and man ask him, who are run the dancer, and when him tell them alkaline, the man them say lie matter. So, him go up on him phone, and him show them Spotify in a Jamaica, or the man. Of course, that are the only thing you can show the man them. You hear what you say, show the man them? Spotify in a Jamaica. Dancehall no stop at Jamaica, my brother. Dancehall a worldwide thing, my brother. But you can't show him nothing worldwide because the guy don't have nothing worldwide. So it's impossible for you to show him things that are worldwide. You have to show him them local things there. The man is a local artist, my brother. Stop trying to put the man up against Vybz Cartel, my brother. Yeah, tell the man about Vybz Cartel fall off because Alkaline do this and Alkaline do this and Alkaline do that. Alkaline do your ass, what Alkaline do? I want me to you, man. You see, see every song of Vybz Cartel drop, you see what it do to the iTunes chart? Eh? You want to pay, you have to pay your money. And no gimmicks business. Now no lollipop thing over there. Hmm? That for sure, mix international artists with local artists. Why not show them the international streaming chart? Why are the local chart you have to show them? Show them the international streaming chart and show them people them same last on it. You know what I mean? All Skilly Bang I think have more streaming than him. You see what I say? So cut the monarchy out. Too much show pony. That can't make your artist great, my virgin. Vybz Cartel never fall off a dancehall yet because Vybz Cartel is dancehall. Are you stupid? Ask Google, go up on Google and just say dancehall artist. Don't call no name. And you see what pop up. And watch what pop up, boy. You hear that? Just go up on Google, say dancehall artist. No call no bumper rascal name and watch where you see pop up. You're a clown or what? Vybz Cartel is dancehall clown. And can't fall off a dancehall. Vybz Cartel now have to do a nigga song in a history. Me hear you tell the man, oh Alkaline do must 60 song for hear or some shit like that. And how much Vybz Cartel do. And if Alkaline did a do song like him, you don't hear about Vybz Cartel. Are you stupid? Are you a fool? What's wrong with you? Eh? You do shit for hype? Let me drop this first and get back to the nation people. Because you know me not deal with lollipop thing. Of the world, it's not a plan. So what you are going on, carefully, A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what going on. When I come for representing, a full effecting man. You don't know what go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh yeah, man. Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. I don't know what happened to that lunatic. Yeah. Nobody now stop him from drop and how much song him want drop because nobody not care about that. When me I tell you about, because I'm not responsible, could I drop a million songs for the year, a film business that. When me I tell you about, you see what me I say? Him, no dead nowhere, in a dance hall, where Vybz Cartel or a popcorn or them man there. Him not have them levels there. And right about now, to all me see Massacre pray, it's like anytime right now him run around him. You know what I mean? Because him only have a bigger fan base than Massacre. That's all him have. But him not have no international song, nor him not have no billboard hits where him can claim so well then him have that over the man. You see what I say? No joke shit no dead about it. You know what I mean? And him can say him song him album go #1 on the reggae chart. That I don't know really. I mean I say that is not an accomplishment. But look what a Massacre album do to the reggae chart and how much weeks it upon it. You see what I say? A man to man, lyrics to lyrics, him don't hardcore like Massacre and him don't have so much what you call that style and flow like Massacre. You see what I say? Because him best flow them are auto tune. You see what I say? Him don't versatile like Massacre. Or Massacre can mix it up and story it up and get it anyway. I'm another type of artist there. You see what I say? So I don't know how you chat your shit. But if him did do how much song, him would have leap and this and that, and you only hear nothing about Vybz Cartel. Are you stupid? Why you try to mix up this local artist with this big international artist? Eh? How much time I have to tell you? This artist will not try mix up with sell over 500,000 copy in a prison, my brother. And I went Vybz Cartel in a prison alkaline bus, try that Vybz Cartel know this youth, as the artist, So they ain't no way Vybz Cartel can bad mind him and pray him, Vybz Cartel now have to do another song in a history and him name can't print out a dancehall because Vybz Cartel is dancehall. You see what I say? Tell Alkaline don't drop no song for 6 months. And you see what happen? Tell him don't drop no song for 6 months and you bumbo clock see what happen. Yeah? You there talk about your fucker. Vybz Cartel is dancehall, my brother. Him not have to do another song in a history. That's what I deal with. And still live off a dancehall. You see what I say? Because him is dancehall. So when you talk a fuck, just know say as some lunatic you can explain your shit to who believe in your hypocrisy. You see what I say? Because they ain't nothing but some show pony who love listen to a lot of monarchy. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it, but you know me as a man when I not deal with jockstrap sniffers and from soon I go call on out, my brother. Because that's all on is. Let me tell you something. You can't even do no video without call Vybz Cartel name. You are nothing but some clickbait and anger rhythm bitch. Yeah. No gimmicks business not dead about it, man. I really way me I represent, man. Yeah, man. You ain't nothing but some clickbait. You see what I say? Yeah, man. No joke shit not dead about it, man. Mm-hmm. And a man strike my channel. Me no know, cause you see, uno vendetta boy, uno go around in a groups and uno have all kind of different channel where uno use and go on with uno fuck, A man named 1RMP, strike my blood clot channel, You know what I mean? Although YouTuber make me know say, yo, everything Chris and cute, you know what I mean? But me I say, where the fuck y'all strike my channel for? I'm tired of tell you, I look a channel like that, I look a being a channel like that, so when you think when you strike the channel, when you feel like I go on, even if YouTube take down my channel. Hmm? Me not deal with YouTube like how I deal with YouTube, you know, my brother. And that's why I can't talk the truth. I'm not have to kill up myself for do no video. I not have to do no clickbait. I not have to run down no on them shit that dog. I'm comfortable with what I'm doing on my virgin. Because if I not feel it, I not do it, you know. I'm not that type of person in the road, boy. So striking I'm on like my channel, you know. Younger, tell me, you know, if you go up on YouTube and start going wicked, you know, my brother. That's all you tell me for do, you know. What you think you tell me for do? What you think you do? Suck me up and silence me? No. If them take down my channel, I go on, you never like the way I go on. Everything change. Me maybe don't even notarize again. I just start deal with things X come, I can't do that. You know what I mean? I'm not depend upon YouTube. This is why I'm dealing my brother. A YouTube depend upon me. You try know that. I put money in a YouTube pocket. No gimmicks bomb buckler business in there. The general, the 10-star one I represent. You know what I mean? I don't know a Gaza way, there ain't no other way. And jackstrap sniffing CV. Stop try bring your local artist to international artists. And next time a man a Jamaica asks you nothing about Spotify streaming. You show him the worldwide Spotify streaming. You not show him the one where I stream in a Jamaica alone. That local. Show him the worldwide streaming. You hear that, Mr. Bumble? No gimmicks thing not there in my game. A 10-star, the general I represent. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. A 10-star, general. Wow.